Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and use sound equalizer on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to find the sound equalizer, we're gonna open Dolby Atmos settings. So let's open the settings, then go to sound and vibration, scroll down a little bit until you find Dolby Atmos option and then go there. You should see something like this. In the bottom left corner we have this gear icon. We need to press it in order to open the settings, and then over here we have several options. For instance, over here we can switch to music, EQ. We can also press this pen icon over here in order to make some adjustments. So for the music setting, we can also just make it flat. We can boost vocals. Wait, we need to skip these instructions here. So now we can boost vocals. Over here we have a preview how it looks like. We have bass boost and we have brilliant treble. And if you keep it flat, then of course everything will be just flat, everything on 0 decibels. And of course, if you go through different categories like movie, you can also do those changes. And you can also create a custom EQ over here. So if you select custom and then press this pen, then over here we have the graphic equalizer, and you can move those sliders a little bit to create your own EQ. So this is how we can create something on, and we can adjust the EQ over here. We also have, of course, those options as before. So once again, we have the vocal boost, bass boost, and brilliant treble. However, for manual, of course, you can adjust those sliders by yourself. And of course, at the bottom, we also have the volume leveler and surround virtualizer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.